In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete watch history on Instagram. First, let's start by opening the Instagram app. You will see the familiar Instagram logo on your device's home screen. Once you tap on it, the app will load, displaying your feed with all the latest posts from accounts you follow. This is where your Instagram journey begins. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. You might notice new updates or features, which makes keeping the app updated important. This is your gateway to managing your watch history effectively. Next, tap on your profile. You can find this in the bottom right corner of the screen, represented by a small circular icon, usually featuring your profile picture. Once you tap it, you will be directed to your personal profile page. Here, you can see all the posts you've shared, your followers, and the accounts you follow. This is your space on Instagram, and accessing it is crucial for the next steps. It's comforting to know you are in control of your account and the content you engage with. From there, tap the Oro menu icon, usually located in the top right corner of your profile page. This icon resembles three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tapping it will open a side menu filled with various options. This menu is your control center for navigating through the app's settings. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as it allows you to access several features that enhance your Instagram experience. Now tap on your activity. You will see this option listed in the menu that just appeared. This section is where you can monitor your interactions on Instagram, including posts you've liked, comments you've made, and your watch history. Accessing this area is vital for managing your digital footprint and ensuring you have control over the content you've viewed. You may feel a sense of relief knowing that you can track and delete history if needed. Next up, tap on Watch History. This option will be visible once you are in the Your Activity section. Tapping it opens up a list of all the videos and reels you've watched on Instagram. This feature is particularly useful if you want to clean up your watch history for privacy reasons or simply to keep the content relevant to your interests. Knowing how to navigate this area empowers you to manage your account effectively. After that, tap Select. You will find this option in the top right corner of the watch history screen. Once you select it, checkboxes will appear next to the videos and reels in your history. This step is crucial as it allows you to choose which specific content you wish to remove. It's reassuring to see that you have the power to customize your watch history according to your preferences. Now, choose the reels or videos you want to remove. Take your time to scroll through the list and select the items you want to delete. This selection process is important because it ensures that you only remove what you no longer want to see in your history. You can select multiple items if needed, making this process efficient and straightforward. Once you have made your selections, tap Remove. This button will be located at the bottom of the screen. Tapping it initiates the deletion process for the selected videos or reels. It's vital to remember that this step is irreversible, so double-check your selections before proceeding. You will see a confirmation appear, providing reassurance that your actions are being processed. Finally, confirm the deletion. A prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to proceed with removing the selected items. This confirmation step is essential for your peace of mind, ensuring that you don't accidentally delete something important. Once you confirm, your watch history will be updated, reflecting the changes you made. This helps maintain your desired viewing experience on Instagram. With that done, you have successfully deleted your watch history on Instagram. Enjoy a more tailored content experience moving forward.